Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about mostly used string methods in JavaScript. Now let's talk about all the methods that are used to search the strings. So first of all we have the indexOf. So the indexOf method takes the string and it will return the index of the first occurrence of the specified string within the string. Suppose we pass hello, so it will return 0 because our hello is located at the index position 0. Similarly also we can use lastIndexOf. So this is going to take one search parameter. Suppose we pass O, then it is returning 7 because it will search from the end of the string, and whenever it finds the matching string O, it will return the index of that. So here in this case it is returning the O which is at the position 7. And also we have the method search. So the search method can take one string or regular expression. So we can pass any string like hello, and it actually searches for a specified pattern in a string and it will return the index of the first match. If it doesn't find anything, then it will return -1. So here in this case our hello is located at the index 0. And also we have the match method. So the match method also searches for a specified pattern, but here it returns the matches as an array. So here we can pass hello, and here you can see we have got one array. The array has the values where it is specifying the index where the match is located. And also we have the includes method. So the include method takes one string and it will return one boolean value. So here we can pass our string hello and it is returning true because our string has hello inside it. But if we pass one capital H, then it is returning false because includes is a case sensitive search. Now let's talk about the method startsWith. So the startsWith method takes search parameter like hello and it will check if a string starts with a specified prefix or not, and it will return the boolean value. So here in this case our string starts with hello, that's why we have the output true. Similarly also we have the endsWith method, and it is also going to check if a string ends with a specified prefix or not. Here in this case it will return false because our string ends with world. We can pass in world and we'll get the output as true. So these are all the important JavaScript methods that are mostly used in JavaScript to manipulate the string and also search for a specific pattern in the string. So hope you understand about all the string methods in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.